Was it option 3 or 4? I just want to talk to a human. Traditional phone menus are a massive barrier. 69% of people find irrelevant options the most frustrating part of a call. Dialovo transforms the experience. Instead of listening to a list, your customer simply presses 1 to receive a secure visual menu link via text. They open a high-fidelity, mobile-friendly interface. No more memorizing numbers, just a clear, versatile menu designed for speed. It's effortless. One tap routes them directly to the right department, significantly reducing misrouted calls and wait times. Setting it up is a breeze. Step 1. Create your company menu and build your structure, from branches to departments. Step 2. Connect each option. Link your visual buttons to existing phone numbers, extensions, or even submenus for deeper routing. Step 3. Generate your QR codes and links. Use them on your website, in SMS prompts, or even on your physical office doors. Step 4. Your customers now route themselves. They reach the right destination automatically, without an operator ever needing to lift a finger. While traditional IVRs are slow to update and high friction, Dialovo is fast to deploy and offers an easy back button for instant corrections.
Retaining customers is up to 25 times more profitable than new customer acquisition.
Dialovo. Simple, visual, fast. Get started for free today.